that buying the first home is always a big challenge, in the sense that everybody wants to have the best of the best. And Mr. Jagdeep was extremely patient in terms of showing us enormous number of properties. And I remember each time we were saying we would like to see more. And I think that's the time which is the testing time for the realtor, to be patient, and he was extraordinary in that service. And the result of that patience, that diligence, was the fact that we landed at 127 Edward Jeffrey Avenue, Markham, in the month of June. So the process took more than 10 months, but I guess what is very complimentary is the fact that Mr. Jagdeep ji was extraordinarily instrumental in giving us the best. And I think today we really want to thank him for his service, and also the fact that anybody who is looking for a new home or the first time home, or anybody who is looking for a second or third home, I would strongly recommend Mr. Jagdeep to be offered the opportunity, because I can guarantee from my personal experience that he is only going to deliver the best. And again, going back to the fact that buying home is not only a financial process, it's a tremendous emotional process. I think Mr. Jagdeep ji plays a fantastic role in connecting emotionally in this entire process.